Aloha kako. That means greetings in Hawaiian, and we're going to start using more of those kinds of phrases, right, Eric?
That's right, we're practicing, trying to get it all down. Trying to be good citizens of Hawaii.
Good vloggers in Hawaii.
So we're out here at the scenic outlook on our way up to Mauna Kea Resort today, Resort Hotel. And why are we going there, Julia? So I always give that over to you.
Okay, so I got up at the crack this morning thinking I need to have one of their sticky cinnamon buns. They're so good. And a cup of coffee and enjoying it, looking out over that blue water at Mauna Kea, Kauna'oa Bay. And so I got Eric up and said, let's go for an adventure.
So here we go. And so we stopped here just because also it's really beautiful out here. So we'll get you some aerial footage of how cool it is. And I think part of our job as vloggers here is to show you the beauty and also tell you a little bit of life. And a little thing, it's actually still a little chilly. It's January. I'm going to say it's about 69, 70 degrees out here. So yeah. Cold for Hawaii.
Yeah, in fact, there was snow on Mauna Kea last week.
So
it's freaked out. But also, we're hoping to see some whales today. So Eric's going to throw his drone up and hopefully we'll catch something good today, too.
And there we go.
Okay, so we're on our way. So we just found out the Copper Bar isn't open, and there's a new place that we're going to check out here that looks like kind of like just a little coffee thing. But either way, I just want my coffee and go out there and drink it with that view. So, new thing to do, let's try it anyway. So when I woke up this morning and I wanted my big fat sticky bun, I kind of forgot it was COVID days. And lo and behold, not only was the Copper Bar cafe closed, but what they were serving in the hotel lobby restaurant was things that are packaged, which sticky buns that are all yummy don't package well, I guess. So another fail for COVID days, which I can't wait to end eventually. I'm gonna come back and get my sticky bun. But the coffee's tasty and you cannot beat the view. So at least I got my view. So gratitude right there. So here we are at our favorite place to like take pictures and just get a really beautiful view. And we're in front of the Manta restaurant right now, and it has a bunch of people. Last time we were here, which was about 5 months ago, this place was deserted. This entire area was completely closed. There was like stuff all over the place. It's so nice to see it vibrant and being used and open, I can't even tell you. But nothing has ever changed behind that view though behind me. So if you get a chance to come to Mauna Kea, if nothing else, come up to this little space and look out over the ocean. It is beautiful. If you're not hanging out in a tree with the blue ocean behind you in Hawaii, I don't know what the heck you're doing. But this is truly like Hawaii life, right? So we are about to wrap it up and go back. But this little beach, which has like a little bit of olivine, which is kind of greenish, is such a peaceful place. I've turned my music up and danced around and had the best morning. So you know what? It's just it's so nice to be out here when it's not that hot in the afternoon. So I say that this was mission accomplished on finding an amazing day up here at Mauna Kea.
end of the morning. Jeez, it's almost end of the morning. It's noon.
It's 12.
This is supposed to be just a coffee, but we got carried away and had too much fun and hiked a long way and all that kind of good stuff. But as you can see from what we showed you, it is a good place to come.
Yep, well worth it.
Well worth it.
That's a pretty blue.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, yeah, this is kind of a little bit of a more informal video, just kind of for us, one of the things about being in Hawaii is that you can take these quick jaunts that are like little tiny mini vacations for 4 hours, and then you get back to your real world at the end. But in reality, it's like going on vacation, and you're hanging out at the resorts, and you're drinking coffee, and you're flying drones over private bays. So it's definitely cool.
So if this is a life that you want to live, don't forget that we offer opportunities for you to meet professionals on the island, including real estate and mortgage brokers. And we also have our 365 Ohana group that you can join. And that gives you resource guides and access to my Facebook groups, and also access to us to ask questions. So if you guys want to learn more about that, you can email me. You can also subscribe to this channel, and I'll have my contact information in the comment section.
There you go.